This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus versus the Galaxy Note 8. Now both of these phones are US unlocked variants, so they both have Snapdragon processors, the 845 on the S9 Plus and the 835 on the Note 8. Both have 6 gigs of RAM, and the Note 8 has been updated to Android 8.0 Oreo and Samsung Experience 9. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! Go ahead and clear the background on the Note 8. And there's nothing in the background on the S9 already. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. S9, messages. Ooh, Note 8, camera. There you go. The calculator on both. S9 Plus, clock on both. S9 Plus, go ahead and start the stopwatch. Leave that running in the background. Play Store on both. Click on this one. Leave it on that page. eBay on both phones. Ooh, very close. Maybe the Note 8 on this one. Go ahead and click on this laptop. Leave it there. Adobe Acrobat Reader. S9 Plus. The speed test app. There we go, both on the same server. Go ahead and start with the Note 8 first. Check out the scores for yourself. The Samsung internet browsers on both. Go. Go to Amazon on both. Both about the same. Do some scrolling on both. Get this weird pop-up out of the way on the S9. There you go. Go to the full site of Amazon. And give this one to the S9 Plus. Pinch to zoom, both very smooth. Close it out. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And the S9 Plus, a little bit ahead. Tap to begin. Close it out. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Iceland. Loading on both. And ooh, the S9 Plus is ahead. Tap to play, close it out. Temple Run 2. Blazing Sands, and the S9 Plus is ahead here. And give this win to the S9 Plus. Gonna go ahead and tap to play, close it out. Angry Birds 2. Logging in on both. S9 Plus is ahead, but will the Note 8 catch up? And the S9 Plus taking this one. Close this out. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Ooh, both neck and neck right now, but I think the S9 Plus is ahead by a little bit. And give this one to the S9 Plus. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the S9 Plus. And the S9 Plus is ahead on this game as well. Close it out. Twitter on both phones. Identical. Snapchat. Identical. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both devices. Everything's in the background, so you can see right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out with Twitter. There you go. CSR Racing 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. ready to play. Angry Birds 2, ready to play also. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both phones. Subway Surf, ready to resume as well. Super Mario Run, and both are continuing the game. The internet browsers, same place. Speed Test app, same place. Adobe Acrobat Reader, same place. eBay, still at the same place. Play Store. Right where we left it off, are both phones gonna run the table right now? Clock, running the stopwatch. Calculator on both. There you go, still in RAM. The camera, and a little bit of a stutter on the right, I think. Messages, same place. And the phone app, still in RAM. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Samsung Knights out there with the Galaxy Note 8, are you sticking with this device? Or did you upgrade to the Galaxy S9 Plus? This being the newer device, upgraded specs like the Snapdragon 845 and Android Oreo out of the box. However, with that said, the Galaxy Note 8 does have the S Pen. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.